Hi, I'm Penny Miller-Nelson, Superintendent of Midland Public Schools. Today, I'm going to share with you a secret recipe I've been cooking up in honor of my favorite season, back to school season. Buckle up, folks. It might get a little spicy. Now, I'm making the caffeine-free version that's suitable for the whole family. But please note, this recipe may require caffeine, depending on the occasion. First ingredient, 1 bag of school supplies. Whatever you have on hand, it doesn't matter because they'll magically disappear by mid-October. We've got some glue sticks, some markers, pencils. Oh wait, is that a piece of gum? 1 Chromebook charger. Now these can be very hard to find, so be sure to ask everyone in your household at least 12 times if you can't immediately find one. In it goes. 3 cups of student excitement. If you don't have any excitement on hand, you can substitute 1 tube of glitter. Everyone loves glitter. Love and support from dedicated teachers. Now this one is critical as it really brings the entire recipe together. So make sure you don't forget it. A dash of parent or guardian patience. That doesn't seem like enough. Bake for 30 minutes or as long as it takes to get through the school pickup line. That seems like too much time, but okay. In we go. Well, the recipe may have seemed a little chaotic. The result is one incredible school year ahead, ready to serve. Smells like success. All of us at MPS are excited to get cooking on a new school year with the most important ingredient, you. Let's make it amazing. And maybe pack a snack, just in case. Can we actually eat this?